guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post hair videos typically on Wednesdays, and I post planner videos on Mondays, and occasionally I'll throw in a vlog or two. But in today's video, I'm actually starting a new series which I'm super excited about. It's going to be called Tuesday Tutorials, as you can see by the title down below. And in this episode, or in this series rather, we're going to discuss digital planning and pretty much the how-tos of digital planning, because a lot of people are starting to move into it, and so I feel like there should be some tutorials that kind of show you what to do. So in today's video, we're just going to cover the top products that you need to get started. First thing that you need is a device. So this could be as simple as your cell phone or as complicated as an iPad Pro. A lot of people who join digital planner groups will see that a lot of people do have iPad Pros, but I do want to put the disclaimer out there that you do not have to start with the iPad Pro. You can start as long as it can read a stylus and it can read apps. It can be any device. So it could be your cell phone, it could be a tablet. I do have an iPad. Mine is the 6th generation, I think, so it's the last version of the 9.7 size screens. So I have that, and I use it to digital plan. I use it to create because I also have a planner shop. Shameless plug, that will be linked down below in case you want to check it out. But I do all of that off of my iPad and off of my computer, so you really don't have to have the latest greatest thing. Just have a iPad, or sorry, a tablet or a device that can read apps. So the second thing that you need is a stylus. So this could be as simple as your finger or as complicated as the Apple Pencil 2. You can also find a ton of styluses on Amazon that are great dupes. I definitely would recommend reading the reviews and also checking out some of the planner groups on Facebook and elsewhere, because a lot of them will tell you, if likely somebody has tried it already and they can tell you yes, no, maybe so. So I would definitely recommend getting a stylus. I think that if you're looking for the more authentic feel, you definitely want to have a stylus of some sort, whether it's the Apple Pencil or a different version. Alright, so the third thing that you need to start digital planning is going to be a note-taking app. So this could be GoodNotes 5, which is super popular. It can be Zoom Notes. It can be Notability. There's a ton of different apps out there and more coming out on the market. I personally use GoodNotes 5. That's what I started with, and that's kind of where I'm comfortable. And for what I do with my digital planner, GoodNotes 5 is all that I need to have. But you can research different ones. Again, planner groups are super informative. People are definitely willing to help you answer questions. So I would recommend trying some of them out, especially I know some have light versions, so you can kind of see if you like it. And definitely watch some video reviews. That's what I did, and that's why I settled on GoodNotes 5, because I felt like it was the best for me. Alright, so the fourth thing that you need to digital plan is your actual digital planner. So this could be one that you create for yourself. It can be one that you purchase off Etsy. Shameless plug, my link will be down below in the description box as well as up here in the card. You can check out mine. They are very reasonably priced. But you can also find some free ones available on different websites. So there's tons of different options out there. I definitely recommend going the free route before you go to purchase one or even create one, because sometimes you might get into it and decide, you know what, this ain't worth it for me, or you might decide, you know what, I think I want to create my own, like I would have specific needs and this is what I want. I do want to later on in this series actually go through creating a planner with you guys, and I do hope to one day have a freebie planner that I can give you guys. I'm working on it, but I want to film the video with you guys and then put it up as a freebie. So that's going to be down the road, probably the next video or the one after that. I don't know yet. Anyways, you need a digital planner. A lot of people have the misconception that digital planning, because it's digital, it does translate over to your calendar, and that is actually a myth. I think that there are some rumors that the app developers are trying to get to the point where your things that you write in the calendar will eventually open up on like Google Calendar and iCalendar. But currently, it would be just like a paper planner, you guys. The only thing is you're not taking pencils, you're not taking your planner, you're not taking sticky notes and all that stuff around. It's all on the iPad or all on your tablet. So it is a misconception. It does not translate over. It's just like a paper planner. Anything that you write in your paper planner and you write in your digital planner but then add to your calendar, you would still have to go in and add to your calendar. So the fifth thing that you need to digital plan, it's not necessarily a need, but it definitely helps make it more fun, and that is going to be digital stickers. So these can be some that tie into your job, this can be some that are just functional stickers, or they can be fun, creative. Honestly, you can create your own stickers, or you can purchase stickers from Etsy or other places, and there are also tons of freebies that people post in planner groups. So I definitely recommend join a planner group if you haven't yet. If you didn't pick that up by this video, I definitely recommend planner groups. But digital stickers just kind of make digital planning a little bit more fun. It kind of helps you stay on track with certain things. I know I have trackers that I use as stickers, so I definitely recommend stickers as a helpful tool just to kind of make it a little bit more personal. Alright guys, so that concludes my list. I hope you guys enjoyed the 5 things that I think you need to start digital planning. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up down below and give me any comments and suggestions down in the comment section. Hopefully